Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to learn division of two-digit number by one-digit number. Let us start. Dividing the two-digit number 67 by the one-digit number, the number 2. 67 divided by 2. Arrange the division with 67 inside the bracket, 2 outside. 67 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. Now, first compare the digit in the tens place of the dividend. Digit is 6. 6 is greater than 2. So we can consider the first digit itself for division. Then 6 divided by 2 will be 2 3s are 6. So 3 will come in the quotient, that is above the number 67, and write down 6 in the tens column below the number 6. So 2 3s are 6. Subtract the digits in tens place. 6 minus 6, that will be 0. Is the division complete? No. Bring down the next digit, that is 7, and repeat the above steps for this new number 7. 2 into what will give me a number just less than 7? Same, 2 3s are 6. The difference in this case, 7 minus 6 will be 1. So what do we have on the top in the place of quotient? 33. And what do we have at the bottom? Remainder is 1. So we can write 67 as divisor 2 into quotient 33 plus remainder 1. 2 into 33 plus 1. What is 2 into 33? 66 plus 1 will give me 67. The dividend itself, thus our division is correct. This is a method of verifying your division. Understood how we divide and how we verify?
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.